In a fast-paced world, how does a person deal with stress, anxiety, addiction, depression, or high blood pressure? Studies show that meditation reduces all of that and more. Dr. Lauren Roche, a teacher of meditation for 46 years, has said that dozens of universities in the United States, Europe, and India have conducted hundreds of studies on the effects of meditation on human physiology and behavior. Dr. Roche goes on to say that the research results point to meditation as producing benefits on many levels of life simultaneously: body, emotions, mental functioning, and relationships. And guess what? One of the simplest ways to meditate is to sit, close your eyes, and breathe. Starting with just a few minutes a day, notice your breath and your thoughts become relaxed and yet focused. When your thoughts take you away, remember to focus on the breath